Sqilye. Sqilye strong hand.
Yep, there's already one here.
What about this side?
Okay, right here.
My arm looks a bit flat.
Yeah.
Oh, to go this way?
When you put it on a right, we'll get your blanket, you can slip in there.
Right there.
Man, I'm not even driving home, I'm staying here. I got my trailer way over there.
Good. Good. Alright, give a wiggle and pull it. That's what they all say.
Must be winning.
Somebody must be cheating.
That one's good. Okay, do we have a hole here in the crossbar?
Yeah.
Bless you. Okay, I need 2 more sticks, people. So you ready to take this picture? In case you missed.
You go take on it.
Alright. Not to do.
Couple wiggles.
See the head.
Alright. It's just pump
Okay,
power.
one over here.
Now hold it on your in.
Stick man.
Stick.
Oh.
Yeah. You think that's good?
Right here. Facing that way.
I hope that's good.
Sorry.
Oh.
Oh, B, stay away.
I'm not having to
Tame it.
In bed.
Don't lecture, don't walk over the sticks.
Alright, couple wiggles.
Could we do that on this side too, right here? Right across?
You stay away, please.
But then you can put there on
Shut
there.
Alright.
Well, in my sweater for you.
Can you wiggle it? Oh, maybe do it. I couldn't spin it. I forgot to wiggle.
And then I put one inside so you can lean it on.
I'll let.
Strawberries back there. Strawberries back there.
The way I say it and how
Black.
You 16.
Nothing.
one hand is so unbalanced. Ready, Freddy?
Okay, that. Put it through here.
Now watch it. Watch it fall on you.
Okay.
String man.
Put your hip in the other leg.
Other leg? So this one?
On the other side by the bathroom.
Don't get the insert.
This way.
Okay, nice. Look on
Tell him the scrawny is
Gently, gently. Wrap it. No, wrap it like this.
I guess it's only like 2 o'clock. It's still pretty good.
Rain man.
Yeah. Where?
Wait. My left. What's that? Oh, we burn the cup?
That sound we went when we
Yeah, what's that?
How do you want to wrap this? Do you just do you want me to just keep winding it around?
Okay, guys, come over here. I'm going to wrap this back up. Ah, it's broken.
This color when
It's so long, but it didn't work, Freddy.
Yeah. Right here?
It's like I could make my voice a certain sound. You want to put one right here? String man? I need one right here. This one.
Zip tie. I'm hammering and cut with me. Wait. I guess so.
Crowbar man? Right here?
Not like you could
I'm not a bad
guy.
Yeah, just
That one just broke.
grab the hammer.
One of them was on there.
This one.
Hammer man?
Ready.
Okay, so one goes here.
Oh yeah, I don't know. It's your turn.